Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajaxx here with another video. So today I'm going to show you how to build a $600 PC right now, okay? I'm putting this video up. This is Tech Tuesdays and I need to put this out before it goes out of stock. So let's get into this. So we're going to start off here with a Ryzen 5 1600 AF. Now remember, the AF version is like the Ryzen 5 2600, all right? So this is now on stock on Amazon for 150 bucks. So make sure you go and grab that because that's going to help this build to be an amazing streaming and gaming PC with no issues. All right. All right. So next we're going to use this case, this thermal tape case. I know it's not the flashiest, but I'm going to show probably a video on the screen covering my face of the PC that I built and just throwing in some RGB lighting just to make it look nicer. This case is 50 bucks. So right there for $200, you have your CPU and you have your case. All right. Now, like I tell you guys all the time, I like to outsource my parts. So everything's going to be coming from different websites. I know you want everything straight from Amazon. I will leave Amazon links for everything that you can get from all the other sites, but I'm trying to help you get the best price for this build. Okay. So next, if you go to Micro Center, you can get an MSI motherboard for around 60 bucks brand new, but sometimes you can find them open box from 40 to 50 bucks. So if you go and get that, that will be awesome and you'll be good to go. So now you have your motherboard, you have your case, and you have your CPU for 250 bucks right there. Now, I don't know what's happening with the RAM. Just a couple months ago, RAM was at beautiful prices, $50 for 16 gigabytes, sometimes 60 right now. But after December to now, RAM has shot up to around $70 to $75. So if you look on Micro Center in the open box section, you can get a 16 gigabyte RAM dual stick for about 60 bucks. You can get a single 16 channel stick for about 65 bucks as well. So if you plan on wanting to go up to 32 gigabytes, I would say just start off with the single channel of the 16 gigabytes, or if you know, as we all know, dual channel definitely runs a little faster, especially with AMD chips. You always want dual channel. So I would say get 2 8GB sticks or get 116 to start with and then save up a little bit and then get the second 16 so you can have 32 gigs and you don't have to worry about upgrading RAM for a long time. Okay, so we have the case, the motherboard, the CPU, and the RAM. That's gonna bring us to about 250 bucks, okay, or 260 bucks if you want to round up. All right, next you want to get a GPU. Now I know GPUs are like few and far apart, but you can get a RX 570. Those are still great. A RX 580, that's what I have, and it's still great. I can run games on ultra without streaming. If I want to stream, I gotta bring it down because it starts sounding like a jet engine in here. Okay, but the GPU that I'm going to recommend is a 1650 Ti. Okay, right now it's $219 on Best Buy. If I can find other GPUs, they will be listed in the description down below. You can definitely go with that. If you can find a 1660 or a 1660 Ti or 1660 Super for about $250 to $300, you can go with that. But again, I'm trying to keep us in our $600 price range. Okay, so if you get the GTX 1650 Super, okay, that is $220 on Best Buy. All right, it's a PNY brand, but it has 5 stars and it's pretty good. A lot of people have used them and had no issues, and it's a rather small card, especially since you're doing a mini ATX build, a micro ATX build. So you should be perfectly fine with that inside of that case, because I've had a full 2-fan card in this build and it was ample space. I could have put a 3-fan if I wanted to. Okay, so now we go from 250 to about plus 20, 270 plus 200. We have 470 now. So we have about 130 bucks to get our power supply and our hard drive. Okay, so the power supply you can also get at Best Buy. Listen, Best Buy is awesome. 450 watt That's going to power everything with no issue. That is $44, okay? After tax, we're going to round it up to 50. All right, that's $50. Now you have space to get your hard drive. Now, with this, you'll be lucky because you'll be able to get a solid state drive and a hard disk drive, okay? Hard disk drives, 1 terabyte is about $40, $45, but a 2 terabyte is $55. So you might as well go with a 2 terabyte. All right, so now we have about $30 left, and you can get a solid state drive that is either 256 gigabytes for about $30 on Micro Center. And right there, you have your PC build for $600, okay? Everything will be in the comment section down below. This AF chip is going to go out of stock. I'm putting this up right now so you guys can get it. Hopefully my viewers are able to get it before it sells out. It is a great chip because the 2600 is about almost $200, which is the same price as the 3600, okay? So if you want the 3600 and you have the extra $50 and you want $650 build, go with the 3600 and then, you know, get the lower end GPU for now and save up so when the GPUs start restocking again, you can get a new one. Now you can definitely get a GPU that's $100 cheaper if you buy it used. Okay, I'm just showing you everything that's new because I know a lot of people don't really like used stuff. People will settle with open box, but they will not settle with used. So that's why I'm letting you guys know that you can check that out. Thank you guys for watching. I just want to let you guys know there will be a Gleam link in the description down below. Okay, so this is going to be for the giveaway. So the directions will be in the description. From now until February 15th, you have to comment every Tech Tuesday video topic, okay? So this Tech Tuesday, this is the first Tech Tuesday, okay? This video topic was what? $600 PC build. So make sure you save that. Don't comment it down below. You're gonna save it for the video that comes after the 15th, okay? So once you enter your Gleam link on that Tuesday, at Tech Tuesday after the 15th, which I think is the 17th, you're gonna comment every Tech Tuesday topic there, all right? So do not comment it here because then you're going to just be giving away answers and then, yeah. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. This is Ajaxx G here. Out.